Now I am going to discuss the relation between beta and gamma function. We already discussed in the previous class the beta function and the gamma function. Now our topic is the relation between beta and gamma function. Okay na? The relation between beta and gamma function. See here, we already discussed the beta function is the beta function beta of m comma n equal to in the polar form, in the trigonometric in terms, that is 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus 1 cos to the power of 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Next, gamma function can be written as gamma of m equal to integral 0 to infinity x to the power of m minus 1 e power minus x dx. Okay, first one is the beta function and second one is the gamma function. Is the beta function and second one is the gamma function. Okay now, right? So I want to take the second function, gamma function. So gamma of m equal to the x to the power of m minus 1 e power minus x dx. Here I want to substitute. Okay, I want to substitute x is equal to the u power 2. X equal to the u power 2. So here differentiate this equation. Dx is equal to 2u du. Okay, 2u du. Next, limits will be changed. That limits are when x equal to 0. Okay, that implies u equal to the 0. So because 0, so u equal to the 0. Okay, u square equal to 0 means u is again 0. Next, x equal to the infinity. So that implies you get u is also infinity. Okay, limits are does not change, the variable will be changed, that is x to u. So okay na, so equation 2 can be written as, that is equation 2 can be written as, so which is implies integral, so gamma of m or not, gamma of m, so gamma of m is not changed, only the expression will be changed, that expression is integral 0 to infinity. Okay na, so x to the power of means u power 2 o to the power of m minus 1. Okay, o to the power of m minus 1 e power minus u square dx equal to the 2u du. Okay, 2u du is equal to, so 2 is constant, 2 into integral 0 to infinity u to the power of 2m minus 2, here u power 1. So minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 e to the power of minus u square du. Okay, minus u square du. Similarly, okay, so gamma of n, so gamma of n can be written as 2 into integral 0 to infinity, here expressed in terms of u. So now I want to express the new variable, is not u, so you should take the another one, not only not u. Okay, that is vr, xr, already we written the x, ur, vr, any other term, that I want to take the here v to the power of here n. If here m, you get the here 2m minus 1, here n, you get the v power 2n minus 1 e power minus v square dv. Okay, e power minus v square dv. So is the equation 3 and is the equation 4. Okay na, equation 3 and equation 4. So multiply equation 3 and equation 4. So that means multiply 3 and 4, left side and right side. So that implies, okay, so you get the gamma of m into gamma of n, gamma of m into gamma of n, which is equal to the here 2 into 2 4 and integral 0 to infinity and integral 0 to infinity. So two integrals, first one is the u power 2m minus 1, second one is the v power 2n minus 1. E power bases are equal, then power should be added, that is e to the power of u square plus v square into du dv. Okay, don't forget that du and dv. So with the first one you get the du and second that you get the dv. Finally multiplication of du into dv. Okay now, so is one equation. In this equation you should modify, change the variable u comma v into the polar form. Okay, u comma v into the polar form. Actually function in terms of x, so that function x into the change in the u and v. Okay, so m and n value, two different values. Okay now, not m or n are not equal, these two are different. If are equal, no problem. Okay, so but I want to take the here two m comma n are two different terms. Okay now, finally gamma of m into gamma of n equal to 4. So double integral, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. One variable is u and second one is the v. So u power 2m minus 1, v power 2n minus 1, e power. So bases are equal, their power should be added. So here e power powers are added. So that is e power minus of u square plus v square du into dv. Here I want to change the variable. Changing the variable u equal to r cos theta. Okay, v equal to r sin theta. U equal to r cos theta and v equal to the r sin theta. Okay now, and okay, so limits are 0 to infinity and theta limits are 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, 0 to pi by 2 and okay, and so du into dv equal to the r into dr into d theta, r into dr into d theta. So substitute these values in the given equation that should be modified in terms of r and theta. Okay now, so what will happen? Gamma m into gamma n equal to gamma m into gamma n, which is equal to 4 is constant, 4 integral 0 to infinity, that is r values, r limits 0 to infinity, next 0 to pi by 2. Okay now, next u means r cos theta. Okay, r cos theta whole to the power of 2m minus 1. Next r sin theta whole to the power of 2n minus 1. Next e to the power of minus r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta into du dv equal to, du dv means 2, so not 2, r dr into d theta, r dr into d theta. So finally here r power 2m minus 1, r power 2n minus 1. So power bases are equal, r and r, the power should be added. So that powers are, see here gamma of m into gamma of n is equal to 4 is constant, 4 into integral 0 to infinity. So r to the power of 2m plus 2n minus 1. Okay, 2m plus 2n minus 1, r power 2m minus 1, r power 2n minus 1, here r power 1. Okay na? So finally you get the power is 2m plus 2n minus 1. Next into dr and e to the power of, okay, so e to the power of, so r square is the common term. If you take r square is common, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 or not? Yes, which is equal to the 1. We can add e to the power of minus r power 2 dr is one term. Next second expression is in terms of theta, that values are 0 to pi by 2 integral, okay, integral 0 to pi by 2. Next first one is cos to the power of 2m minus 1 theta, next sin to the power of 2n minus 1 theta, next d theta or not? D theta, okay, which is equal to the d theta. Here 4, I want to take the, in that 4, 2 is 2 into 2, so which is equal to 2 into integral 0 to infinity r to the power of 2m plus 2n minus 1 e power minus r square dr is one integral. Next second one is the 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2, next cos to the power of 2m minus 1 theta, next sin to the power of 2n minus 1 theta d theta. So you know this term is equal to the beta of m comma n or not? Beta of m comma n, which is also equal to beta of n comma m. Okay, beta of n comma n equal to beta of m comma n. So commutative property will be exist in the beta function. We can write which is equal to the, so first one is 2 into integral 0 to infinity r to the power of 2m plus 2n minus 1. Next e to the power of minus r square dr is the first term, and second term will be beta of m comma n. Okay, beta of m comma n. So left side value is gamma m into gamma n. So here you get the beta of m into beta n. So you should modify this term to the, so in gamma function you get the result. So first of all here e to the power of minus r square, that r square equal to, I want to take the one new variable t. Okay, substitute r square equal to the u, r square equal to the t, not u. So u means you may so confused to the previous one. So finally r square equal to the t. So what will happen? R equal to root t. Okay, dr equal to, which implies derivation, dr equal to the 1 by 2 into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt. Okay, t to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt. Limits will be does not change. If r equal to the 0, t will be 0. If r equal to the infinity, t will be infinity. Limits does not change. Limits does not change. Limits does not change. So finally, so express that term. That means gamma of m into gamma of n is left side, which is equal to 2 into or not 2 into integral 0 to infinity. R means r square equal to t. R means root t. That is t to the power of 1 by 2 over to the power of 2m plus 2n minus 1. Okay. Next e power minus t. Next dr equal to the 1 by 2 into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt. Okay now. So after into beta of m comma n. So don't forget that term. So that is a very essential term. So finally, which is equal to, so this 2 will be cancelled. Next integral 0 to infinity. Okay, integral 0 to infinity. First of all, I want to write the beta function. Beta of m comma n. Okay, beta of m comma n is the function. Next 2 will be cancelled. Integral 0 to infinity t to the power of m plus n. Okay, m plus n. Here 2 minus 1, here minus 1 by 2. Okay, here denominator is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will be cancelled. Okay now, here minus 1 by 2, here minus 1 by 2. Finally, you get the minus 1. Next e power minus t dt. Okay, which is equal to the gamma function or not? Yes, which is the gamma function. So at gamma function here alpha equal to the m plus n. We can write which is equal to beta of m comma n into gamma of m plus n. Okay, gamma of m plus n. So t is the variable, t power alpha minus 1 e power minus t dt. Here alpha equal to the m plus n. So that's why I am writing the gamma of m plus n. So we can write from this equation. So I require beta of m comma n. Beta of m comma n equal to, okay, beta of m comma n equal to what will happen? Gamma of m into gamma of n by gamma of m plus n, which is the result, is the relation between beta and gamma function. Okay, is the relation between beta and gamma function, which is the required. Okay na? If you have any doubts, do comment. I will give reply to you. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.